Banoi is a subdivision of Sundargarh district of Odisha. It represents moist deciduous, dry deciduous and semi-evergreen forest. Also, it is extremely mountainous and thickly wooded. Because of this natural wealth, the place is inhabited by various forest-dependent communities and tribals. The tribal communities of this area largely depend on this forest for their day-to-day requirements. Villages are predominantly inhabited by tribes like Munda, Gouda, Bhuya, Dehuri, etc. The Mundas still practice traditional way of life with a mixed subsistence economy of poaching, gathering of wild foods and non-food resources. There are 7 ranges of Banoi Forest Division, namely Banoi Range, Kulipos Range, Tamra Range, Jarda Range, Sol Range, Barsua Range and Koira Range. A case study was done in Barsua Range by our team. Bhutura village is located in Lahunipada Tahsil. There are about 205 houses in this village. The major community of this village is Munda. The people living in this village work in mining areas. Siliguda village comes under the Lahunipada Tahsil. There are about 31 houses in this village. Munda is the major tribe and labourship is the main occupation in this village. Sarkunda village is situated in Barsua range near the perennial stream. Different types of communities are living in this area. Mainly they are mine workers. Some of them, particularly old age people, collect the non-timber forest produce. Batogaon is situated inside the deep forest of Barsua range. Mainly, they belongs to Dehuri community. The approximate population is about 300 and they do shifting cultivation. They totally depend upon the forest for their livelihood. Kemsila village is also situated inside the deep forest of Barsua range. This village mainly depends on shifting cultivation and forest for their survival. Lassi village also comes under Lahunipada Tahsil. It has a total population of about 686 individuals. There are about 142 houses. Agriculture is the main occupation for Bhuya community. Many issues and challenges we have observed during survey, like high dependency on forest by local villages for their livelihood, lack of alternate employment opportunities, lack of livelihood options, lack of awareness on various laws to conserve forest and wildlife. Among them, forest fire is more alarming during February to May. Forest fire is a ranging topic in all over the world. The dry deciduous forests are more vulnerable in forest fire in Odisha. There are many causes for forest fire. We observe the major causes are shifting cultivation, collection of flowers of mahua, make path easy inside the forest, collection of non-timber forest produce, destroying the eggs of snakes and scorpions, etc. Shifting cultivation is very primitive form of agriculture. It is also known as field forest rotation or slash and burn agriculture. Shifting cultivation is practiced in some part of tribal areas of Odisha. It involves clearing of a land plot by cutting down trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crops are grown. Now, it becomes a major cause for reducing the forest cover. In Odisha, the tribes inside the forest are very dependent on forest produce like firewood, non-timber forest produce, etc. One of the most important non-timber forest produce is mahula or Maduka longifolia. And for the collection of flowers of mahula, they clean the ground by removing the leaf litters and sometimes setting fire underneath the trees so that the falling flowers would remain free from unwanted materials like leaves and insects. And this fire could lead to a major cause of forest fire. Another cause of forest fire is making path easy for walking in forest. In dry deciduous forest, during dry seasons, the tree shed their leaves completely, and due to this, it becomes difficult to walk inside the forest. So people set fire to make their path easy.
ईटा चाष करिवो गोटे थरे निया लगेले
होय आउ थोरे टाने निया जाड़ी देमु सेट्रो आउ थोरे गोतकी से एमिति बुदा पालिया बड़े बुदा का काटी देमु से कुटा कुटु एन को ठुड़िया देमु निया जाड़ी देमु कुटा कुटुगा पछरे धान बिनथु
निया लगेले कोन लाभ आ रंजरा पहिले त आगा हर धरबो कोन धरबो हर तसमु एडा तसनु मिति ओ चाष करिवो होय धान पडिमु
इथर महला आसी ना नाही ना নহলে মহুলা কালেকশন করছন তো মানে সংগ্রহ করছন তো মহুলা সেই মহুলা এ করে পাইনিয়া লাগে কি করতে ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଚାଷ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବିରି ମାଣ୍ଡିଆ ତା ପାଇଁ ନିଆଁ ଲଗାଉଛନ୍ତି ନିଆଁ ଲଗାଉଥିବେ ତାପରେ ତ ଚାଷ କରୁଥିବେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ
ଆଉ ନିଆଁ ନେଇ ଲଗାଲେ କେମିତି ଚାଷ ହେବ?
After the continuous discussion with tribal people, we got to know that high incidences of fire during these months is a matter of concern. Also, the tribal people are interested to reduce the forest fire, but they need a proper livelihood. From the discussion, we got to know that they have one traditional festival named Bitya. According to their ritual, they go to the forest for 3 days during the festival for poaching. Here, we have to create awareness on ill effect of wildlife trade and poaching.
माने वर्षे केते थरे जानती से पर्व
During survey, we observed that tribal people also do poaching and trading of different types of avifaunal species like eggs of peacock, spotted dove, drongo, orange-breasted green pigeon, etc. According to the tribal community, forest fire is not good for the wildlife. During forest fire, eggs of many birds like peacock, jungle hen get destroyed, which is a prime cause of loss of avifaunal diversity. To restore the biowealth, we have to focus on following implementations. To create opportunity for livelihood like mushroom cultivation, poultry farming, natural farming, value addition of non-timber forest produce, etc. Create awareness on wildlife trading and poaching
ଆମେ ଚାରିଟା ଜିନିଷ କରିବା
Continuous interaction among forest officials, community, other government and non-government organization. Banai Forest Division is rich with floral and faunal diversity along with indigenous community. So, we all together have to work on its restoration of biowealth and maintaining of its beauty.